Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to create a HTML page by using order, unordered and nested list. Firstly, let me tell you what is order, unordered and nested list. Now let's start with order list. In order list, the output is in sequence such as alphabetical order, Roman order and numerical order. Here you can see I have created favorite food list and HTML page. To create this kind of HTML page, we have to use order list tag, which is called as OL. Within order list, we have to write list tag, which is LI. Within list tag, we have to write the content. For now, I have used burger and pizza as my content. You can write as many lists as you want within the OL tag. Here you can see the default form of the list is in numerical form. But if you want to change this form as alphabetical form or Roman form, you have to write type syntax within the OL tag. Here you can see the alphabetical form and Roman form is being given. You can choose whatever you want. I have chosen alphabetical form, so here you can see the alphabetical form is being created. This is a quick demo regarding the order list tag. Let's start with unordered list. In unordered list, the output is not in sequence form. Here you can see I have created an HTML page of my favorite food list. To create this kind of HTML page, we have to write unordered list tag. Within unordered list tag, we have to write list tag. Within the list tag, we have to write content. For now, I have written burger and pizza as my content. Now here you can see the bullet point is in circle shape. But if you want to change this shape to some another form, you have to write style syntax within the unordered list tag. List style type, and here you can see the types of shape is being given. You can choose whatever the shape you want. For now, I am choosing square shape, and here you can see the square shape list and bullet point is being created. So this is a quick demo regarding unordered list. Now let's move on to nested list. Let me give you a basic knowledge regarding nested list. A nested list is a list which have n number of lists within another list. Another list consists of ordered list and unordered list. Here you can see I have created an HTML page of nested list. To create this kind of HTML page, first we have to write OL tag and create a main list which have capital A and capital B. So within the OL tag, I would write list as capital A and capital B. Now within the main list of capital A, I want to write the sub list. So to create the sub list, within the content I would write order list, and within the order list I would write list tag and give small a and small b. Now for the main B list, I want to write unordered list. So within the B, I would write unordered list, and in the list I would write small a and small b. So here the HTML page of nested list is being created. Now you got the basic knowledge regarding the nested list. Now let's start with the goal project. Here you can see the goal PNG is being given. To start with this, here it has been written learning web development. We have previously learned how to create this kind of heading. To create this kind of heading, we would use h1 tag. And before that, we would create the HTML structure. So the shortcut for creating that HTML structure is exclamation and enter. The whole HTML structure is being written. In the body, we would write the h1 tag and write learning web development. After that, we would create the list. Here you can see the main list is in ordered form and the type is Roman number. So to create this kind of list, we would write after h1 tag ol tag. Under ol tag, we would write list, and under the list we would write the content. So here you can see I have created the list. This is the main list. Now I want to change the type to Roman number. Under the opening of OL tag, I would write type and select Roman. So here you can see the Roman form is being created. Now I would create the sublist, which is minimal page, heading, tag, list, link, images under the HTML. So under the HTML list, I would write, and this is in order list form. So OL, again create the list, heading, tag, list, link, and images. Now here you can see the order list form is in Roman small letters. So I would write type and Roman small letters. Now within the tag, okay, just a second, this is ABCD, so it is an alphabetical order. Type and take alphabetical order. Now within the tag there is another ordered list, so we would create this list under the tag. So OL list, under OL list, and within the list we would write the content, which is header, horizontal line, and paragraph. Now I would choose the type as we have to write this in OL tab. So here you can see the form is being created. See, now we would create the list. Within the list we have to create unordered list. So unordered list is being the form which is being created under the list. So in the list content, UL under UL we would write list tag, write the content unordered, ordered, and nested. So here you can see we have created an HTML page same as goal PNG. To continue watch this kind of video, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you very much.